Well, hello, my fellow. Oh, got my hand in there. Hello, my fellow modelers. So, I just have an update for the group build of Gentlemen. I think that's what it's called. I was not able to get the Ford done, but I did get the Chevy done. So, I hope you guys like it. It's pretty cool. I'm digging it. I've never built this style before, so I really want to thank Paul at Styrene Relics for putting this one on. It was an awesome group build. Loved it. And I'm really happy how this thing's turning out. I love the paint. The engine turned out really cool. It's one of the first Chevy V8s that they built. I did end up gluing the doors on just because I didn't have the little pins that go up here. But so everything I did on this, I tried to minimize the glue. Tried to minimize any kind of custom work that would be difficult to remove. So as an example, for the wheels up front, I wanted them a little lower, so instead of drilling right in the middle, I just dropped that hole a little bit so I could get the front wheels just that little teeny bit lower, and it worked out good. I don't love doing it that way, but I don't know. It's not like you're going to see underneath the car all the time, so it wasn't that big of a deal. And I got it just a little bit lower in the front, like I like it. So put some pipes on the side, got the interior all done. So yeah, so the only thing I'm kind of bummed out about is I had the little visor that goes here and I lost it. Dang it. So I'm hoping I find that eventually. And then here is the Ford. Unfortunately, it never got done, but I just simply ran out of time. And I didn't want to rush it because I'm not really happy with how the underbody's turning out too well. And I need to go over the framing again, and just what happens when you rush it. So yeah, so anyway, boy, what else? Oh, I did pick up this styrene body also, which I'll be covering in a different video. It's an El Camino and Buick combined, and it's pretty cool. It's a pretty old one. You can see it's pretty rough, but anyway, I will cover this in a video soon. And I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys watching and giving me likes, and I will talk to you soon.